Hello everyone. Physics is never a difficult subject for a student who is interested, provided he or she has a clear and strong physics teacher. So here I am, Mr. Dharanidhar, your favorite physics teacher in your favorite YouTube channel, Bhouthics. So today's question is, an object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeters from an optical center of a concave lens of focal length 15 centimeters. Use lens formula to determine the distance of image from the optical center of the lens. So understand the question. There is a concave lens and the focal length of that concave lens is 15 centimeters. And the object is placed at 30 centimeters from the concave lens. Means the object is placed at 2f1. We have to find out the image distance. Means where the image will be formed. We need to find out. So given data, let us find out the image distance now. Let us write the given data. What all the data what they have given? Object distance is given. Object distance is equal to in bracket u minus 30 centimeters. And they also have given focal length. Focal length in bracket small f is equal to minus 15 centimeters. They ask you to find out the image distance. Image distance is equal to question mark. What do we know? We know that the mirror formula, here we are using lens. So lens formula is 1 by f will be is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Correct? So substitute the equations. How much they give? Focal length 1 by focal length of concave lens will be negative. So 1 by minus 15 is equal to 1 by v minus 1 divided by u. U is minus 30. Remember that while substituting the values into the lens formula or mirror formula, we should substitute with polarities. Answer will come with the polarity. We should not give any polarity to the answer. So next step will be, what will be minus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by 30. We need to find out v. This can be written as, which implies 1 by v is equal to plus 1 by 30. I will say on this side it becomes minus 1 by 30. Minus 1 by 30 minus 1 by 15, which implies 1 by v is equal to LCM. It will be 30 minus 1, 15 minus 2, which implies 1 by v will be is equal to minus 3 divided by 30. From there we can write v is equal to minus 10 centimeters. So the image will be formed at 10 centimeters from the optical center. 10 centimeter means somewhere here. See, from the optical center to the focus it is 15 centimeters. So approximately here 7.5 and here 10. So approximately here image will be formed. So we know that the image formed by the concave lens will be always formed between the optical center and the focus. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.